Hello, my name is Viviana Yepes. Estudio en licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil, sexto semestre. Inglés 6. Artículo. Science and Technology Programs on Television. On the occasions of World Television Day, we know which are the open networks that are committed to educational content on science and technology and which are these programmers. In 1927, the word fixed television went on sides and has been a part of home around the world ever since. Millions of families came together around this device to watch a movie together. Watch the news or enjoy a certain event that was broadcast at that time. Television has evolved over the years. The first television was large and very heavy because they were creative with materials such as cathode books, dark cibers of image generators, both currents model have improved in all aspects by using LED technology to display high quality images. Thank you.